everyone, welcome back to my channel, Flip Furniture Mom. If you are new, my name is Maggie. I'm start a new journey, Flip Furniture. I'm start to flip furniture 2 months ago for help my daughter pay her university tuition. And today's video will be a very interesting dresser. I got this dresser on a Facebook Marketplace for free. I was charged for now more about this interested design. This design dresser is a Japanese one, comes from the years 1600s to 1800s and has a very cool concave on the top. I don't know, I cannot find what that it is or for what. If the guys know, please comment below and let me know what this concave is for what. Or to me, this concave on the top of this dresser turned this piece very interesting. Let's go to start. I got this dresser on Facebook Marketplace for free in a very good shape. Has this concave on the top, I don't know for what. If the guys know, please let me know for this concave used for what. Has some scratch, not a big deal. The back is perfect. It's solid wood. I really like this hardware. The drawers run so smooth. This drawer needed to fix it. At some point looks like lose the legs. I go put new legs on it. First one I take it out the hardware for make a good cleaning. Before I'm cleaning, I'm go fix this drawer. I like to do my fixers before I cleaning. I love how this dresser comes out. The legs is so perfect on this dresser. The color, I am in love with the color. Let's go talk about the numbers. I know the guys like the numbers. I got this interesting dresser on Facebook Marketplace for free. I spent about $25 in paint and wood for make the base legs. The legs I has from another project is free, and I sold that for $475. I make a profit $450. $450 goes straight to my daughter's university tuition. Thank you again to all my subscribers. In 3 months I got 568 subscribers. Thank you all. My goal is have 1,000 subscribers. If you can help me achieve my goal, I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the videos like this, please don't forget next week on Thursday the next video will be a very cool one. Please like, share and subscribe on my channel. See you on next flip. Bye.